Hello everybody. Hey, I know I haven't done any Animal Crossing related videos here, but today I figured why not do a top 5 villagers species tier list on Animal Crossing. Yeah, let's do it. Now I have to just say that this is my opinion. And it's okay if you disagree. Even though I say that, there will always be that one asshole that in the comments that will write a 15-page essay on why my opinion is wrong. Alrighty. Now, tomorrow night, I will actually come up with a list titled Top 5... Oh my god, I probably sound so cringeworthy. But tomorrow night I'll come up with a top 5 worst villager species. But either way, on to number 5. And number 5, in my opinion, is the horses. I just really like their designs. Yeah, my favorites are Roscoe, I like their... Okay, I really didn't go in their designs that great, but I like their big noses, and I also like the bigger villagers in general. Yeah, and they also have, in my opinion, some pretty great designs. My favorites are Roscoe, like I just said. My favorites are Roscoe, Victoria, Renee, and why does it keep doing that? And no. Horses. Thank you. And Julian. And the only ones that I would say I dislike would be probably... Hold on, where are they? Yeah, Peaches. I just really don't like their cross eyes. They look dead. Anyway, on to my number 4th pick. Next up on my list is the elephant. Next up is the elephants. Another bigger villager species, and I like most of them. I think they have some pretty great designs. My favorites are... what's her name again? Eloise. Hold on. Yeah, Tia. She's awesome. She's like a teacup. How can you not love that? And no. And Paulo. Well, people say that his design looks a bit basic, which I can agree to an extent, but I like the lazy villagers, and he seems like a pretty cool guy. And I think, is this him? Dizzy. I think this is Dizzy. He just has a very kind face, in my opinion. And then, next up is number 3, which, backspace, is the deer. Yeah. Deer villagers. There you go. With my favorites being Eric, who is a literal reindeer, or it kind of looks like one. He just looks cool. No. We're crossing. Stop that. Crossing deers. I don't get why it just keeps going back. But anyway, another one of my favorites is Fauna, with her very cute little eyes. And Deirdre, I like her design. And plus, she was one of my starters. So, I'm kind of biased on that one, but she's great in my opinion. And there's someone else. Zell. He's just pretty cool. I like his black and white design. The only two ones I could say I dislike would be Fuchsia. Fuchsia. She's just too bright. And I don't like her, like, piercings. And, hopefully, okay. And who else was it? Lopez. Nah. But overall, pretty great, in my opinion. Next up, number 2. Now, I've been looking on the tier lists in the top 10 videos, and I've seen so much kangaroo slander, and all I can say is that I cannot stand for it. Right. Number 2, the Kangaroos, with my favorites being Wallet, who was, in my opinion, the best villager in the game. I love you. Not in a gay way. But he's just super epic. Look at him. He's like a samurai kangaroo. Look at him. Look at him. Yeah, with some other cool ones in my opinion, like Sylvia, Via. She's like a little Karen, which could be annoying, but I kind of like it. Carrie with a just super sweet looking face. Mathilda, who looks kind of evil, but I like her that way. And Rooney. Who, at first, when I first saw him, I thought he was a jock, but then I came to the realization that he was a cranky, which still baffles me. How is this dude a cranky? Okay, anyway, and to me, in my opinion, the Kangaroos also have, in my opinion, the best design or model out of all of the villagers. I just love I love the fact that the females have the little babies, and they're just in the big feet and the big banana heads. They just make me smile when I see them. And I guess the only one I could say I dislike, maybe, is Kit. But she's still pretty cool in my opinion. To me, the Kangaroos are also the villager species where there's just nobody, everyone is a hit, in my opinion. And even my number 1 pick can't say that. Alright, now for the quick honorable mention would be the Squirrels. Sorry guys, but you just barely missed out. I like Static, Sylvana, and a few others, but just the ones that I dislike, like Caroline and Hazel, just give them a bad look in my opinion, so just out of the top 5. Alright, next up, my favorite species. Take a guess. Think that's enough guessing time. Alright, it's, in my opinion, the bears. No. I need to learn how to type. I just love these guys, with my favorites being... Where is her? Where? Paula? What? I like her like, very chilled out design. People say that she looks a lot like someone named Carol Bastion. I've never heard of her, so I don't relay it. Pinky. She's a cute peppy panda. And she's just super cute. Don't. I need to get a better bear villagers. Teddy's also another great one in my opinion. Yeah, this is a lot better. Yeah, Ursula, no, not you. No, not you. Ursula, she's also pretty great in my opinion. Yeah, Groucho, correct. No. Megan, I'm too lazy to type it in, so Megan and what's his name, Chow. Those are also pretty great. Alright, well that's my top 5. Be sure to type your own top 5 in the comments. Goodbye. Signing out.